If you follow the channel, you will know that I've been job hunting. And like most people in 2026, I decided to let AI do the hard work for me. Big mistake. Well, sort of. Because within 48 hours, AI had applied for jobs I was already interviewing for and 2 I had already been rejected for. Imagine getting an application confirmation email for a company you're already 2 rounds deep with. That's exactly what happened to me. But here's the thing. Once I fixed it, something unexpected happened. I started getting more interviews than I'd had in months. Let me tell you exactly what I did, what went wrong, and what I'd tell anyone who's job hunting right now. I've been applying manually for weeks, tailoring CVs, writing cover letters, spending hours on job boards. Sound familiar? Then I discovered AI auto apply tools, specifically auto apply and copilot apply. The idea is simple. You upload your CV, set your preferences, and the AI goes off and applies to hundreds of jobs on your behalf while you sleep. And honestly, they worked really well. Within days, my application numbers went through the roof. Companies were reaching back out. My phone was buzzing with interview requests. To be honest, I almost found it addictive. There was just one problem. The AI had absolutely no idea which companies I'd already applied to manually, so it applied again and again for jobs where I was already in the interview process. Imagine the hiring manager's face. 2 applications from the same person, one carefully crafted, one fired off by a robot at 2 a.m. I want to be clear, nobody pulled me from the process because of it, but it was embarrassing, and it was a wake-up call. So I changed my approach completely. Instead of letting AI apply on my behalf, I switched the settings so the tools just surface the jobs for me. They do the searching, they do the filtering, they match roles to my experience and salary expectations. But I read every single one before I click apply. That one change made all the difference. I went from scattergun applications going out in my sleep to targeted, considered applications that I'd actually read and chosen. The result, a ton of interviews, real ones, with companies I actually wanted to work for. Here's my honest take on AI job hunting tools in 2026. The fully automated approach. Let AI apply for everything. It sounds amazing. And for pure volume, it delivers. But volume without control creates chaos. You lose track of where you've applied. You duplicate applications. And you risk looking careless to the exact companies you care most about. The smarter play is to use AI as your researcher and filter. Let it find the opportunities. Let it do the legwork. But you stay in the driving seat when it comes to actually hitting apply. AI is a tool. The best results come when you're still the one making the decisions. And if you're job hunting right now, trust me, you are not alone. These tools exist, they work, and used properly they can completely transform your search. Just maybe double check you haven't already got an interview lined up first. That's my honest experience. Every week on this channel I share the real story about AI. What works, what doesn't, and what nobody else is telling you. Subscribe to AI Unfiltered. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep the faith.